Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at BitTrading, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through what has happened and the trades that we are currently in, and we're also going to take a look at future price levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these price movements. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload, and watch this video until the end because, like I said, I'm going to give you guys some valuable information on how to profit off of these price movements. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So as we can observe, last week we were actually seeing the price of Bitcoin trade within this ascending parallel channel. It was very hard to trade this price action, which was why last week we were scalp trading. We were making scalp trades which were very, very profitable. Last week we made 5 trades. 4 of them were winning trades, 1 of them was a losing trade. It was almost impossible to look for a nice swing trade last week because we were very, very restricted, and confined within this ascending parallel channel. But we did, in the end, actually enter into a really, really nice swing trade, And that swing trade was actually a short from the high up here. So we shorted this high and we entered that short at around $27,280. And as you can see, it was a very, very profitable trade. And this morning, Bitcoin is actually finding support at the POC right here, which this morning in the daily market update that I do for my team every single morning, I told my team this morning that coming into this POC, we were looking fairly bullish, and we could expect a bounce. But for me, I'm not going to enter into a long position because the POC isn't a strong enough level for me to expect a big push towards the upside. So we'll get onto that in a moment. But we're looking at this short position right here, and I gave this short position to my visionary members, in the visionary Discord. I said re-entering the short as the price is locally still looking bearish, and I explained why I was entering into this trade. So here was the setup, and the reason why I said I was re-entering it because I actually gave my team a short setup before that as well, and we actually took over 81% in a profit off of that trade. We moved the stop loss to entry, and then what happened was price hit the stop loss at the entry price, so it was a very, very profitable trade, but it did hit the stop loss at entry. And then the price was still looking bearish, like I told my team. So we re-entered into that short position, as you can observe right here, and then that short position has yielded us some really, really nice profits, and as you can see in the visionary Discord, over 339% in a profit. So this has been a very, very profitable trade that I gave to my team over on the visionary Discord, and if you want access to this visionary Discord, then click the link in the description or the pinned comment, and it will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here and you can gain access to the visionary Discord, also the visionary courses we have available for you as well, and there are free courses there as well, so make sure you take advantage of that. We also have a discount running at the moment, so click the link in the description and you can gain access to that discount as well. But that was a very, very profitable short position that I gave to my visionary members over on the visionary Discord, And we did in fact try and enter into a long position here. Unfortunately, that did get stopped out, but we can't win every single trade, Like I said, last week we entered into 5 trades. 4 of them were winning trades and 1 of them was a losing trade, which was that long position, and that is a very, very successful week. 5 trades, 4 wins, 1 loss. That is a very, very successful week. And here at BitTrading, we aim to have an 80% win rate, and ever since BitTrading has been live, we have had that 80% win rate. Me myself, as a trader, I do have a win rate of 80%, and that is what we strive for. That is what you need to strive for as a trader. You need to be consistent, and you need to have a high win rate. Yes, you cannot win every single trade. You have to accept that as a trader, but you can win the majority of your trades, and that's what we do here at BitTrading, and I give all of my trades to my team on the visionary Discord. So like I said, click the link in the description if you want access to that. But like I said to my team this morning, we were coming into this POC, we were looking bullish, but I was telling my team, I'm not entering into a long here. Why? Because the POC just isn't a strong enough pivot point for me to enter into a long position, The levels that I'm actually targeting, are these lower targets here at the GP, which is the golden pocket, because we also have confluence there with a weekly level, so we have the weekly level and we also have the GP coming in right there. So This level is a level of interest for me. So if we're coming into this level and we're looking bullish, okay, on the open interest, we're looking bullish on the CVDs, okay, and, you know, we see some sort of bullish reaction off of this level, then what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to enter into a long position, okay? So this is a level that I'm interested in taking a long from. So, you know, mark this level on your charts, okay, and wait for this level to be tapped, okay, and check for the reaction. Okay, if we get a bullish reaction, okay, with a bullish confirmation and a bullish confluence, then what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to take that long position and I'm going to tell my team in the Visionary Discord that I'm taking that long position, okay? But, okay, we may not see the bullish confirmation and the bullish confluence at this level here, okay? We may just see the price come down here and look fairly bearish. So what are we expecting from there? Well, if the price comes down here, doesn't look bullish, okay, and looks more bearish, then we're actually expecting lower prices, okay? And the lower prices I would be expecting would be the range low down here, okay, at around $24,855, okay? That would be the next target towards the downside, okay? And that would be the next level that I would be looking to long, okay? If we saw the bullish confirmation, if we saw the bullish confluence at this level, then what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to enter into a long position. Okay, but if we don't see the bullish confirmation and the bullish confluence, what am I going to do? I'm going to leave it, okay, and wait for lower prices, okay? Because if we don't get the bullish confirmation and confluence here, we're most likely going to see lower prices, okay? So we have to wait until we see the confirmed bullish confirmation and bullish confluence before entering into a long position, and vice versa, okay? If we're looking for a short position, we want to see the bearish confirmation and bearish confluence before we fire in that short position. Okay, and talking about short positions, you know, there are some levels towards the upside that I am looking at shorting, okay, and that is actually the value area high currently, okay. We do have some liquidity at value area high, so I'm looking to possibly short that if we see the bearish confirmation and bearish confluence at that level. So that's a level I would be interested in entering a short. But if we don't get the bearish confirmation and bearish confluence, what am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for higher prices, okay. Those higher prices would be the highs from up here that we shorted, okay? If we see the bearish confirmation and bearish confluence at this level, what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to enter into a short position there, okay? If I don't see it, then we're looking for higher prices, okay? So you can see, you know, what's going on here. If we don't see the bearish or bullish confirmations at the key levels, the interested levels, then we're looking for higher or lower prices, okay? And the level above that, okay, would be the internal high here, which I've been telling my team for weeks now, that 27,616 is a level that I'm interested in shorting, okay, if we see the bearish confirmation and bearish confluence. But if we don't see that, we're looking for range high, okay, at 28,136, where from there we could look for the bearish confirmation and bearish confluence to enter into a short, okay. But if we don't see that, then we're looking for higher prices, okay, 29,000, okay. So all of those levels are the levels that I'm interested in, okay, possibly opening a trade at one of those levels, okay, if we see the bullish or bearish confirmation and confluence, okay. So right now, I'm just sitting on this short position, okay. I'm waiting for a possible pullback to this level here, where from there, you know, we can reevaluate. Is the price looking bullish for a long, or is the price looking bearish for our next level towards the downside? Okay, so we're just level to level trading here. If we don't see the bullish confirmation or the bearish confirmation at a certain level, we're looking for either a higher or lower price, okay, depending whether the price is going up to a key level or down to a key level. Okay, so you can see what's going on here. You know, we're just looking for our levels and then we're checking for the reaction. Okay, and this is the best way to trade, and this is why we have such a high win rate here at Bit Trading. You know, we're checking for the reaction. We're not, okay, setting limit orders at levels and expecting the price to pull back. No, okay, because if we expect that, okay, there is a possibility that we could see a continuation towards the upside, okay, and that's why we have to check for the reaction, okay, and that's why we have such a high win rate, okay, because we check for the reaction. Okay, so yeah, currently sitting on this short position, which is currently in over 339% in a profit. Okay, like I said, if you want access to my trades, click the link in the description or the pinned comment. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join Bit Trading here, and you can gain access to those to the Visionary Discord and the Visionary courses, and also the free courses we have available for you there as well. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Those are the levels I'm interested in trading. If you enjoyed, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I will see you in the next update. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.